In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a Node.Js app on DigitalOcean app platform. By the end, you'll have a Node.js application running on a managed platform with builds, deploys, and scaling handled for you. We'll walk through the DigitalOcean dashboard, pick a source for your code, use a helpful starter template, review the settings, choose a region, and launch. Start by opening the DigitalOcean dashboard in your browser. From the main navigation, head to Projects. Projects are how DigitalOcean helps you group related resources, so your app, databases, and any other services stay organized. You can either create a new project to keep this deployment separate, or open an existing one if you already have a space for this app. Either approach works. The goal is simply to have a project context for your new application. Once you're inside the project, look to the top of the page and click the Create button. This opens a menu of resources you can add. Choose App Platform. App Platform is DigitalOcean's platform as a service, which means it builds your code, deploys it to scalable infrastructure, and offers HTTPS rollbacks and logs without you managing servers. Next, you'll pick where your application comes from. If your code is already in version control, select Git repository. You'll be prompted to choose a Git provider like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Connect your account if it's your first time, then select the repository and branch you want to deploy. When you're ready, click Next. App Platform will scan your repo and figure out the build and run configuration for a Node.js app, which keeps things simple. If you're shipping a pre-built image, there's also a container image option. That lets you point to an image in a registry and deploy it directly. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on using a starter, which is great if you want a quick, working Node.js example. Click Templates to switch to DigitalOcean's curated template catalog. On the Templates page, you can browse the available starters. There are templates for a variety of stacks, but we want a basic Node setup, so search for Node.js starter. This filters the list to a simple, production-friendly starter that's already configured to work well on app platform. When you find the Node.js starter, click Deploy. You'll then see the option to deploy from template repository. Choose that to create an app based on the template's code. App Platform will pull in the repository, detect it's a Node.js project, and prepare the build pipeline automatically. This gives you a clean baseline without wiring up your own repo first, which is perfect for demos, proofs of concept, or learning the platform. Now it's time to review and configure resource settings. Here you can confirm the service name, the detected build command, and the run command. App Platform typically detects Node's appropriate commands from package.json. If you need environment variables later, this is where you can add them as needed. You can also choose the instance size for your app. The starter usually works on the smallest plan, and you can scale up later once traffic grows. Select a data center region that's closest to your primary users, or that aligns with your compliance needs. Choosing a nearby region helps minimize latency and improves response times. If you're unsure, pick a region that's geographically closest to most visitors, and you can always redeploy in a different region down the road. After that, finalize your configuration. Review the summary, confirm pricing, and ensure any defaults look good, like auto deploy on pushes if you connected a repo. When everything is set, click Create App. App Platform will kick off the first build, install dependencies, run the build and start commands, and bring your service online. Watch the build logs to track progress. They'll show installation, build output, and the health checks. Once the app status turns active, click the generated URL to test your Node.js application. You'll see the starter running behind HTTPS on a DigitalOcean managed subdomain. If anything needs adjusting, use the Settings and Deployments tabs to tweak configuration or redeploy. That's it, your Node.js app is now live on DigitalOcean app platform.